Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to earn cats coin on this airdrop on Telegram and how to play the cats mini game. So you want to open up your Telegram and go to the cats bot and click on play now, or just click on Mao, and once you will do that, this will open up. Now you will see a lot of tasks to do. So you want to do a transaction here in order to get some cats. You will get 2,000 cats for just making a ton transaction. Now, you also can play and earn, become like OKX racer, join some communities. I already completed some tasks, so I cannot show you all of them. But basically, you can just join some channels on Telegram and get 100 cats or 50 cats. And you also want to invite your friends. As you can see, you will get a lot of cats. So you basically just complete all of the tasks here, and also I believe there will be daily tasks, which once you will complete another day, it will be a different one. But basically, that's what you can do. You can invite your friends through here and get a link. And that's pretty much it. That's how you earn cats coins on Telegram. And if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.